faceless automated YouTube channels. Basically, a faceless YouTube channel is a channel that a person takes a voiceover and some images, which we call B-roll clips, and they add it to the video. They make a script for the video, they make a voiceover, and they make some clips, they put them together, make a video, and they post it on YouTube. They don't show their face. Most of the times people just hire freelancers to help them with that process. It requires a little less maintenance, especially if you're using the freelancer method. There are also apps and softwares that you can use online to, do this process for you. And for you to get to your first $1,000 doing that method, you could literally do it in the first weeks, because on YouTube nowadays, you don't have to wait to monetize a YouTube channel. You need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, but you don't have to wait until the YouTube actually monetizes your channel to start making money. And that's something that I've covered here on the channel as well with the other videos. You can literally start using affiliate marketing to make money on your YouTube channel.